Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to open a dog can food. So let's start. So my sister is gonna tell you, but first I have to show you. But something I have to tell you first. If you see the chicken chunks in gravy, it will be easy to pour out. And if you see like this with chicken, it won't be easy. So let my sister show you. So yalla.
I'm going to use a little spoon that we gave it to our dog. So first we're going to open this kind of food that looks like a chicken, but it's so hard to do. I'm going to take it from the ground. Ew, that's doing with the hands. How do I take it? Okay.
Just use your hands.
Okay, no, that's disgusting. Okay, so now I'm going to pour it on.
Let me do this one.
No, I'm going to do it easy.
Wait, I just need to grab this.
Come on. It's okay. It's so like dog food. He's not gonna die forever. Yes, he is. He does not eat. Okay, so I pour. Okay, he scared me.
He's barking.
Then we're gonna use our other one, but I'm gonna use this spoon because it's not pretty easy. Okay, just put it on. So now I'm gonna put it, and then now I'm gonna mix it up so it's not gonna be hard for him to eat. So keep mixing.
So yes, so now let's take it to him.
No, it's still not mixed because some of them are kind of very hard. Okay, so now
So now we're gonna take it to him. By the way, he's a 5-month-old puppy Rottweiler. He's pure.
he's very cute.
Yeah, she's scared from him.
Yes. No, I'm not scared from him like forever.
And
when they grow up, I'm never gonna.
he's a 5-month-old
He's pretty small.
puppy Rottweiler. He's pure.
And here's his face. How he looks
So
like.
let's get it home.
Okay, and my brother's gonna put the little food with him. So this is how he looks like. I know that you're seeing his eye like kind of white, but they're not really white. They're kind of black, and like there's a picture of a dog that has blue eyes. Who will do that? Okay, my dog always spills his food, so my brother just throwed it.
My mouth is filled with dog food.
Oh, ew! Who does that? And we all even made a gummy cocoa, but we're not showing you.
In the next video, I'm gonna show you the
But I'm
gummy
gonna.
flavored Coke, not flavored.
We're gonna tell
Not
you.
like Coke shape because it failed.
Yeah, but it's kind of a little bit gassy, but we're still gonna eat it.
It needs to go to the toilet because it's gassy.
Gassy. It has a little bit of gas on it, so I tasted a little bit because it's not very hard, so I need it very hard. My brother has in his mouth some dog food.
Right here.
But he didn't even swallow it. He didn't swallow. Ugh. That's disgusting. He swallowed it.
So I'll see you later.
And we're going to show you.
Don't forget to subscribe and put the thumbs up.
But we're going to show you our gummy.